Let's solve this question. E is a point inside the triangle ABC such that line AE meets side BC at D. If area of triangle AEB is to area of triangle AEC is to area of triangle BEC is given as 3:4:5, find the ratio of AE and ED. Right? So first of all, let's just make this triangle ABC. So this is triangle A, B and C, and it is given that E is point inside the triangle ABC such that line AE meets BC at D. So I'm assuming this as the point E, this is point E, and this AE when extended meets BC at D. This is the point D, right? If I join these 2 points B and E, I get the triangle AEB, right? And when I join this point E to point C, I get this triangle AEC. Now the ratio of area of this triangle AEB to area of triangle AEC to the area of triangle BEC is given as 3:4:5. So I can say the area of this triangle is 3x, area of this triangle is 4x, and the area of this whole triangle BEC is given as 5x. Is given as, this whole area is given as 5x. I have to find the ratio of this length AE is to ED. I have to find the ratio of this length. Now area is given and the ratio of length is asked. Obvious thought is of the property when two triangles are on the same base, right? I am just making the triangle here. For example, if these are two triangles, let's just say PQR, and this is the point S. So these two triangles PQS and PSR are on the same base or on the same line, right? I have to find the area or the ratio of areas of these two triangles. So I am dropping a perpendicular from this point P to the opposite vertex, opposite side, and I am calling it point O. This is the height of this triangle, right? So I can write the area of triangle PQS. Area of triangle PQS would be half base of this triangle is QS into height. Height is H, right? And the area of triangle PSR is equal to half times base is RS into height is H. For this triangle also height is H. It's an obtuse angle triangle, so height is outside the triangle or the altitude is outside the triangle. So this is, if I talk about the ratio of areas of these two triangles, mind you, which are on the same base, QR. So the ratio of areas of these two triangles would be this H get cancelled, half get cancelled. It is equal to QS upon RS. If I take QS as X and it as Y, so the ratio of areas of these two triangles I get is X is to Y. So we can say for two triangles which are on the same base, connected by the same vertex, the ratio of areas of two triangles is given as the ratio of lengths of their bases. So in this triangle I am using this concept, right? So the area of this triangle BEC is given as 5x. I am assuming the area of this triangle BED, as A units. So the area of triangle EDC would be 5x minus A, right? I am assuming let area of triangle BED be A units, so the area of triangle EDC would be 5x minus a. Right? Now, I'm talking about this triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. So there are two triangles inside this triangle ABD. One is ABE and second is BED. So using this property, I can say area of triangle AEB and area of triangle upon area of triangle this AEB and area of this triangle BED will be the ratio of their basis, which is equal to AE upon ED, right? This is the ratio I have to find. Now these two triangles, which is AEC and BEC, are on the same base AD. For them also, the area of these two triangles, that is area of triangle AEC upon area of triangle EDC, will be in the ratio of their basis, which is equal to AE upon ED. Now the area of triangle AEB is 3x, area of triangle BED is A, so I can say 3x upon A is equal to AE upon ED, and it is equal to area of triangle AEC, which is 4x, and area of triangle EDC, it is 5x minus A. So we can equate these two to get the value of A, right? So using these two expressions, equating these two expressions, I get 3x upon A is equal to 4x upon 5x minus A. Cross multiplying the terms, I get 15x square minus 3ax is equal to 4ax, right? Or from here I get the value of A as this is 7, so 15x by 7. So this is the value of A I am getting. A is coming out to be 15 by 7x. Now the ratio of these two lengths AE upon ED is 3x by A, and I have to find this length. It is equal to 3x by A. A is already identified, it is 15x by 7, so it becomes 3x upon 15x by 7. So 7 goes to the numerator, becomes this get cancelled, I get this ratio as 7:5. So the correct answer to this question, AE is to ED, AE is to ED is 7:5. So correct answer is option